All, yeah, all of those missed. I bet this guy feels invincible. What's up, guys? Squink here, former cop, future interior designer. Because as you can see, I moved my desk around. I'm here to answer one question with today's video. And it's the question that everyone wants to know. And that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? So I'm here to hopefully answer that question and many more in today's video. Let's get into it. Okay, the video's not up. Today's video comes from police activity. Armed suspect dodges police bullets during foot chase in California. I've never seen it. Jumping in blindly, giving you the raw reality of whatever's about to happen. Here we go.
9 Charles Nora William 313. Me on Ellis pulling into Parkview 1751 Ellis.
Happy 1751 Ellis.
So it's 10:11 p.m. April 3rd.
Stay right there! Dirty. The guy's gonna run. Stop!
Oh. Very good to check the car before he continued pursuit. They teach you to check the car rather than just aimlessly chasing after the suspect, because they could have someone waiting in the vehicle waiting to shoot you in the back as you run past. How often does that happen? Not often, but it's better to be safe than sorry.
Watch me 25. I just got a hand jacket blue deal. He's running upstairs. He's running out to Clayton right now. He's crossing Clayton, going on a freeway. Stop! PD! Stop! Stop right now! Here, we're gonna pack and take. Take it back, liquor.
Good job from the civilian.
Get on the ground! Get on the fucking ground! Spread out! Don't move! Don't move! Don't fucking move! Get your
Is he
fucking
tying
hands up!
his shoes right? Is that a...
Shots fired! Shots fired!
That's just a random civilian? Okay, so we know from the title that all of those shots missed.
Got a gun! Got a gun! Watch the corner! Watch the corner! He's going back to Clayton. He's going back to Clayton.
So was he pulling the gun from his, like, ankle area?
Get on the fucking ground!
This guy.
Spread out! Don't move! Don't
Yeah,
move!
he's pulling a
Don't
gun
fucking
from an
move!
ankle holster.
Get your fucking hands up!
All,
Shots fired! Shots fired!
yeah, all of those missed.
Ah!
I bet this guy feels invincible. Yeah, you can see the gun. Right there.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
This dude is just like evasive as a lizard.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Zany 7 shots fired, pointing a gun at me.
I wonder if the suspect got any
He's
shots
in the
off.
Big Wave laundromat parking lot.
That's all we get? For real? Alright, let's read about this. Concord, California. Foreman suddenly stopped running, ignored multiple commands from the officer, pulled a handgun out of his pants, turned towards the officer holding it in his hand. Officer involved shooting then occurred. Foreman was not struck by the gunfire from the officer. So then it sounds like they formed a perimeter Foreman attempted to escape the perimeter but was ultimately apprehended. He was found to be in possession of a loaded handgun at the time of his arrest. You don't say. Well, I will say this. He's very lucky that none of those bullets pierced his skin. My advice to the officer is to practice a little more in the range, because at least one of those probably should have hit him. But as we saw, none of them. He was like a black Neo from the Matrix. I bet you he felt 100% invincible and was like, I can do anything. I can maybe even fly or interior decorate. Other than the missed shots, they did very well issuing verbal commands and engaging in the foot pursuit after they saw a crime occur. I give them a B. The only reason they're not getting an A is because of the missed shots. I feel like some of those should have connected, but whatever. I'm super tired today. There was a storm last night, and of course, I didn't get any sleep whatsoever. I almost didn't record, but here I am. So, appreciate you guys being here. That's why I show up. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you tomorrow for tomorrow's video. Bye. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.